Watch as a simple grassy hill transforms into a cozy Hobbit hole. Incredible DIY craftsmanship from start to finish. Build the ultimate garden trellis. Watch these cucumber plants climb and thrive on a custom wooden arch. Transforming a backyard into a peaceful oasis with a custom stone waterfall and colorful koi fish. Watch this plain backyard turn into a stunning, colorful flower bed full of vibrant plants and solar lights. Creating cute concrete flower stepping stones with glowing LED lights to illuminate the pathway. Building a hidden underground root cellar designed to store fresh produce perfectly all year round. Turning an abandoned room into a modern luxury space with wood slat paneling and warm aesthetic lighting. Creating a breathtaking circular koi pond right around a giant oak tree with an amazing countryside view. Turn an ordinary towel and cement into a stylish custom flower planter. Here is how it's done. Building a luxury wooden gazebo deck from scratch to create the ultimate backyard hangout spot. Upcycling at its finest. Watch how concrete and old egg trays turn into a unique, modern planter pot. Burying organic food waste in the garden bed to create hyper-nutrient-rich soil for stunning, colorful blooms. Building a stylish outdoor patio bar using cinder blocks, wooden pallets, and sleek seating. Transforming a dull side yard into a luxury walkway featuring white river rocks and ambient LED lit planters.